Hey guys, welcome back. In this video, I'm going to show you how to schedule blog posts and Wix. So let's get started. So as of right now, I'm on the blog website that I have, and in here I can see the blog post. So what we can do is we can create a new post for now, and then in here just enter your details as usual, create a title, create a post. So once you're done adding everything right here, you can actually see this publish button. So you can actually publish your post, but since we want to schedule it, you can click on these three dots right here. So let's try to click on that. Then in here, you can see the option for scheduled post. So click on that right here. And then in here, you will open this calendar with the time right here, wherein you can choose when you want to publish this. For example, I want to publish it on Sunday, and I can actually choose a specific time. I can change the PM or AM, and I can also change the time right here. So for example, I want to publish it at around 10 a.m. I can just add that right here, and as you can see, it will be added. Then once you have done that, click on schedule right here. And once you have scheduled that, as you can see, it will be scheduled for February 4, 2024 at 10 a.m., which is the time I chosen. So that's the whole process. I hope this video helped you to schedule posts and Wix. If you have found this video helpful, simply leave a like below or subscribe because it helps me reach more people. See you soon!